Just a very easy, simple, set it, forget it kind of investment, right? It's a nice neighborhood in Cleveland. It's probably on the higher end of the C grade quality, right? So if you're actually investing in the city proper, not too many neighborhoods you're going to find that are going to be lower level of risk than this. All right, y'all, we got a turnkey opportunity in Cleveland. Nothing to worry about with this one. All the stuff's already been handled, right? Including the lead certification process, not once, but twice already, okay? 13313 Thornhope Road, Cleveland, 44135, right? Fully occupied. This tenant's been in there for several years now. I think we're on like year 3 or 4 or something like that, okay? The rent, when they got in there originally, market rents were much lower. You know, we go up a little bit, but we don't like to create artificial turnovers. So the plan of attack with this one with the owner has been small incremental increases. But at this point, you're probably, since we've had such a big rent jump in Cleveland over the last like year or two, really just like skyrocketed. Market rent for this is probably $1,100. This lease is good till June 2025. So, you know, right off the rip, when you purchase it, as soon as you close, you could probably go in and, you know, easily increase that rent up to over $1,000, and the tenant is probably not really going to go anywhere, okay? And everything on this is turnkey, ready to rock and roll, right? As you guys know, some of the newer laws is you have to get your property lead safe certified. You got to do that every 2 years. Already took care of it in 2022. Nothing to worry about. When it came time to renew it, 2024, handled that again, right? So you're able to get this property. You don't have to do a darn thing other than probably increase the rent to make a little bit more cash flow, right? The roof, decent shape, furnace, hot water tank, both newer. Holton Wise has replaced both of those over the last like handful of years or so. So this is really just a very easy, simple, set it, forget it kind of investment, right? It's a nice neighborhood in Cleveland. It's probably on the higher end of the C grade quality, right? So if you're actually investing in the city proper, not too many neighborhoods you're going to find that are going to be lower level of risk than this. Cash tenants, no issue. Section 8 tenants, no issue, right? There's some neighborhoods in Cleveland where I'm like, dude, this is such a sketchy neighborhood. You're probably going to need to go to Section 8 because it's going to be too damn impossible to actually collect rent from cash-paying tenants. Not the case when you buy a property over in this neighborhood, right? So it's a pretty safe, solid, stable investment. If you're interested in that, you could send an offer to my team at sales@holtonwise.com. If you want to pay cash, include your proof of funds. If you want to finance it and you need lenders, let me know. I'll give you my Rolodex of lenders. Or if you already have your own lender, just include their pre-approval letter with your email to me. But even before you do that, I'll tell you what I want you to do. I want you to stick around right now. Don't click off the video because the footage you've been watching of my guys going in and out of the property, right, with the tenant, as you can see, everything ready to go. A little cluttered, but hey, that means they're staying. They ain't going nowhere, okay? I want to show you all of that footage now in its completely unedited, uncensored fashion so you can get like a really good understanding of exactly what it is you're buying, because I know most of you, many of you, a lot of the people that are watching Holton Wise TV, you guys are coming in from out of state, so it is our goal here to give you guys as much transparency upfront as humanly possible so you know exactly what you're getting, what you're buying. So take a look at that footage now. 13313 Thornhope. Front of the house. I don't want to like walk in this guy's driveway, man. Hello.
We saw him sitting on the porch.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we He was so skinny and mean,
My best.
Take a quick video walkthrough, show like the condition layout.
Oh yeah. You know my house is always clean.
Yeah, and I know it'll go
is
pretty
the-
quick too, just because it's
Yeah.
smaller. So.
Back there, the only thing that I don't like is the fence. They only do one partial fence, and that's holding up by a pole.
Right.
And then this fence is broke,
Yeah.
and it's wobbly, and the neighbors complain about it. I don't like this one. I don't think you're okay. It's crazy.
Right.
True. Struggling. Yeah.
How the sugar go?
I just had it Friday.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's fresh.
So it's fresh. Yeah, I walk around though because I don't want no blood clots, you know?
Was it like a
Yeah, I tore my MCL
ooh,
in my gym.
recent surgery?
In the gym, so.
I'm
I got
good
my
to
dogs
go
locked up in the room.
Oh, so we're
yeah,
okay.
and however you want to do it. If you,
I got it
we've already done the outside. If you want, you can let them out here. We can
Let
go
me
in the
close the
front.
gate. Yeah, let me let them out and then I'm going to close the gate.
Okay.
You guys, my
All right,
daughter's
yeah, we'll
over
go
there.
at the front.
Give me about 5
Is she here?
My oldest daughter.
Okay. Please.
Now Sonia.
I think Lucy.
Are you doing Sonia? I
No,
have
no,
Lucy.
no. Yeah, no. I just get mixed up.
I know, we're outstanding.
You call her Sunny.
I call her Sunny.
Yeah. Yeah. No. No, we're not doing her house.
She said you guys was it. Why this one though?
I don't know. Different owner. I don't know
Oh,
what he's
yeah,
doing
he's
it
a
for.
bullet. I don't like him.
We have. We had one we had before, which I thought was going to take longer. It was on the east side, but it was.
Okay.
It was
1,
real
2,
quick.
3.
Yeah, and then we got one after here, so I was like, hey, we can start cranking them out.
Might as well get it done early.
Yeah, let's get 'em out,
Weather,
right?
enjoy the rest of the
Before
weather.
the temperature drops and whatnot, you know.
All right, let me get them off for you guys and you can just get it off.
Okay. Okay. Do you want to come up or you want to stand or whatever?
Yeah, I'll be
I don't want to open the door. I feel, at least the more you do it, it kind of grinds it down, right?
Nice little neighborhood shop. I had to make sure I was actually filming. I'll do I think the dogs might know we're here, dude.
A little bit, it might smell us. So, let's go up here.
Going on up to the front porch. Locked up. Yep. Good to go.
Welcome to my home.
This should be the quickest part.
This is my house. It's changed a lot.
This is relatively quick.
This is not nothing better with this. You see how the big bed fit in that room? Remember they were complaining about it?
Oh, yeah.
They might agree they packed it because I'm like, that's Kiki, buddy. You're a good Kiki.
Oh, yeah, I remember.
She's a good Kiki. She's a good girl. She's old. She's 13 years old. So, the only problem I have, that right there, which they're apparently supposed to have fixed the leak, and then my towels are coming out. It's,
Electric panels are bad big too, right?
electric is right there. That's the boiler.
Yeah. The hot water tank.
Yep, everything's good with
Are we able to pop that open?
that. Yeah, this is just a picture. Goes down. You can do that if you want, put my hands on.
Yeah. You're fine.
There you go.
Woo. All right.
And then I think we just gotta pop in the bedrooms back.
You can go ahead.
We
Okay.
should be cool.
The paint on the bathtub is coming apart. I mean, it's
Like the
yeah. No, that's not even the leak on your bathroom. No, it's not the leak under the sink. It's the faucet.
drippy faucet.
Yeah. So this is my room, other room.
Yeah, that was. They all
Hey, my
seem
lights
equal
on.
size.
They are. And I got 2 dressers in this one, and I got a dresser in that one.
You did good storage wise.
Yeah, I use it for storage. But yeah, we still clean and stuff. Yeah, we just got us this year.
Spring cleaning, you know.
Yeah, we have
Tis the
to.
season. Nobody wants to clean when it's like 20 degrees.
No, I don't.
I mean, I don't like cleaning.
But my house is pretty clean. So.
No, yeah, I mean,
I know
you
you
guys
see
do a good
worse than
job.
this.
Yeah.
We keep it up to par.
Oh, yeah. Just last week or well, we just came for 1 week. So we, you know. We want to be in there.
No, my house is.
Oh, this one, I saw this one.
It'll be easy. All right, we're done.
Thank you.
In and out.
In and out.
That's it. That's my home. You know, you guys always welcome.
Cool.
I appreciate it. Oops, sorry.
Much appreciated.
I just let the dog out.
If there's any follow-ups, they may, based on the video, they may want to do like actual inspections and inspections.
Okay, if you do that.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.